fight is at two levels. First and most important fight is the fight for you, for a brighter future for you. At the same time, we have a bigger battle ahead of us as well. I am a member of parliament now. I represent each one of you. We are fighting for our constitution, for the values on which our country was built. We are fighting against the BJP that has no rules, that has no respect for democracy, no respect for the constitution. You can see yourself, we have been asking them to discuss with us in parliament, to have a discussion on some issues. And for fear of that discussion, parliament has not functioned for the last 1 week because they are afraid to even discuss certain issues. They have a negative and destructive agenda, and we have to fight it with our strength, our courage and our positivity. They speak of division, we speak of unity. They give all the power, all the resources of this country to their own few of their friends. We want the power to be in your hands. They want to weaken every institution, we want to strengthen it. We want a strong media that questions governments and questions power. A fair, balanced and strong judiciary that is not pressurized. We want to build on all the values of our constitution so that each one of you gets the future that you deserve. More important than anything else, we want to focus the politics of our nation on providing to you the power that you deserve, the rights that you deserve, and all the facilities that you deserve.